Welcome and thank you for joining us. We are looking at a question that was done in KCSE 2007, question number 7, paper 1. And the question we have reads, a square brass plate is 2 millimeters thick and with a mass of 1.05 kilograms. The density of brass is 8.4 grams per centimeter cubic. Calculate the length of the plate in centimeters. So we are going to proceed as follows. We have been given the density as 8.4 grams per centimeter cubic. We also have the mass. The mass is 1.05 kilograms. Since density is in grams per centimeter cubic, we convert mass from kgs into grams by multiplying with 1000, and the mass is going to be 1050 grams. Once we have the density and the mass, we can calculate the volume. Volume is usually given by mass over density. The mass is 1050 divided by the density of 8.4 grams per centimeter cubic, and this one gives us a volume of 125 centimeter cubic. Once we have the volume, we can now move down and calculate the length, but we know we are supposed to calculate the length in centimeters and the thickness is given in millimeters. 1 centimeter is going to be equal to 10 millimeters, meaning 2 millimeters will be equivalent to what? It will be 2 times 1 divided by 10, giving us 0.2 centimeters. Remember, our thickness is the same as the length, or we can call it the height. Remember, volume is given by the area. We multiply by the thickness. Since we have been told that it is a square brass, to get the area of a square, we simply take the length, we multiply by the length, which is going to give us length squared. So if you take length squared, which is the area, you multiply by the thickness, which is 0.2, you are going to get the volume of 125. From here, if we divide both sides by 0.2, L squared is going to be 125 divided by 0.2, and this one gives us 625. If L squared is equals to 625, to get L, we take the square root of 625, and this one gives us exactly 25 centimeters. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two. You click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification.